When considering Writerly AI, there are 12 crucial things you need to know before making a purchase. Whether you're already familiar with AI tools or just starting, this video will help you decide if Writerly AI is the right choice for you, especially compared to its competitors. Let's dive right in. First, Writerly AI specializes in generating written content for a variety of needs, from blog posts and articles to marketing copy and more. It's designed to save time for content creators and marketers by automating the writing process. But is it the best tool out there? Next thing, user interface. Writerly AI's interface is clean and simple, making it easy for users to get started. Unlike other AI tools, where the interface can feel clunky or overwhelming, Writerly keeps it straightforward. But some other platforms, like Jasper or Copy.ai, offer more customization and advanced options if you're looking for deeper control. The third thing is pricing. Writerly AI offers competitive pricing plans, with various options depending on how much content you plan to generate. The price is comparable to other generative AI tools, like Writesonic or Writr, but be aware that higher tier plans can get costly for businesses that need large-scale content creation. Next, let's talk features. Writerly AI includes tools for blog writing, social media content, and even email copywriting. However, while it does cover a broad range of writing types, it may not have the specialized features that some of its competitors offer, like SEO-focused tools or advanced grammar checks available in tools like Grammarly or SurferSEO. The fifth thing is speed. Writerly AI is fast, generating content almost instantly after entering a prompt. It's quick, but again, tools like Jasper may offer similar speeds with more nuanced options for tailoring your content. Moving on, the quality of writing is the next thing to consider. Writerly AI does a solid job, but it's not perfect. For certain niches or complex topics, it might need a bit of tweaking after the initial generation. This is similar to other generative tools, but platforms like Copy.ai often provide more refined content right out of the box. The seventh thing, customization. While Writerly AI offers some level of customization, it lacks the depth of features you might find in competitors like Jarvis, which allows you to train the AI based on your unique tone and style. Next, let's talk about integrations. Writerly AI integrates with popular tools like Google Docs and WordPress, making it easy to transfer your content directly into your workflow. However, some competitors have a wider range of integrations, such as connection to other marketing tools, which could be more convenient if you're running a larger operation. The ninth thing is collaboration. Writerly AI allows for collaboration between team members, which is essential for businesses. However, platforms like Grammarly and Jasper offer more collaborative features, like team feedback and content approval processes, that might be more helpful for large teams. The 10th thing to mention is support. Writerly AI's support is generally good with a help center and customer service options, but some competitors, such as Writr, offer faster response times and more dedicated support resources. Next, let's discuss templates. Writerly AI offers a variety of templates for common content types, but they're not as extensive or customizable as those from Jasper or Copy.ai. If you rely heavily on templates for your writing, this could be a limitation. The 12th and final thing is the trial period. Writerly AI offers a free trial, which is great for testing the waters before committing. But compared to competitors, some platforms provide longer trials or money-back guarantees, so if you're hesitant, other tools might offer a better trial experience. So, is Writerly AI a good option? Yes, it certainly has its merits, especially if you're looking for an affordable, user-friendly tool to generate basic content quickly. However, if you want a tool that offers more advanced features, a more customizable experience, or better integrations, you might want to consider other options. Check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free to see if it better suits your needs.